So
we're going to
keto vlog number 1, or is
Keto.
this number 2?
Yes, number 2.
Talk loud. You're like a freaking mouse.
So this one is keto vlog number 2. We're gonna
go shopping.
We're going shopping, and I want you to join with us. Okay?
We gotta go find a tricycle because it's
Raining.
we're going on a trip in a big rocket ship. We're gonna get a lot of meat, but
Lettuce as well.
it's good with lettuce. Maybe a few baby tomatoes, but not many.
Why is this one is so expensive? 87, and then this one is 49.
And lots of almond milk.
Is that vanilla? You need this one. Original.
Where's the
Unsweetened.
unsweetened?
This one? You want this?
Yeah. What is it?
This one is okra. Okra yan na to.
Disgusting.
Cauliflower is good for... What is that, babe? Like steam?
Like a rice replacement?
Steam? Yeah. Steam. Only how many? 2?
Yeah.
4, babe. 4.
I'm gonna be eating a ton of keto coffee, and there's no MCT oil here, so people told us to use butter. Real butter, unsaturated, as a replacement. So we'll get a bunch of these because I have to have a lot of bulletproof coffee. So that means also the almond milk, black coffee, butter, and maybe sugar, the fake sugar.
The stevia one?
Yeah. And then we're getting lots of meat and cheese. Yeah. Cheese is expensive here, and it's not like awesome, but let's see if they have a real one. So this is I love mozzarella in like Italy, but
Here.
we'll try it here. It's zero sugar and carbs. Nothing added to this one. Pure cheese.
Yep.
So this is
High fat though.
yeah, you could add this to the pork steaks or whatever. It's good for high fat. It's good for one meal.
Yep.
And it's like 400, almost 500 pesos, but you don't have to eat a lot, you know. The Monterey Jack is. Should we get both? Wait, check is anything added?
Check the level, mommy. You need to check the level, mommy.
I can't see the label. There's 0.25 sugar or carbs. I mean, it's like barely. It's like nothing, but whatever. We got enough. Yeah, we're cooking a ton of steaks, so I guess we always need more olive oil. I've been looking at all the sauces, and the only one that doesn't have any sugar at all is this mustard. Not all mustards. Dijon doesn't either. But this mustard has, 0. I'm still trying to find Caesar. There's a lot of meat here, but it's not great. I mean, that sirloin is dark. You gotta get the cheap stuff that everybody buys because it's the newest. So I don't know if you can tell how dark and bad some of this looks. It stinks too. But we're definitely gonna get it mostly pork chops and pork steaks. Thick and thin. Because they're really good. I guess we're gonna get this one. It has less fat, but to be honest, you're supposed to have fat. So we'll just have to cook it really good. The ones over there are all bone and fat though.
We did chicken? No.
No chicken. For me. For you if you want. There's just no such thing as bacon here. It's disgusting. Look at this bacon.
This one, right?
Yeah. You
How
like
many?
a kilo? I'm gonna go look at the steaks over here. I think I'll get 2 of these boneless, big pork things. Yeah, that one. Yeah, that's okay. It's okay.
I don't know. This one is a new one.
It looks new or what?
It doesn't look good.
Well, get something. Chicken's for her. Don't worry. I mean, chicken's okay. Chicken's okay for me, but
But you don't feel
it's
like
not that feeling. I just want a fat
you need
steak.
the breast chicken.
I like the boneless chicken, but I'd rather just have a big fat steak. Where are you going? Where? Okay, good talk. Honestly, this doesn't look any better. I hate those little red spots. But the chicken's for you. Look, there's boneless over there.
I don't like that.
Yeah, I know. You like the bone leg chickens.
I'm so sorry.
Whatever, get. Look, there's a whole chicken breast.
Can I just have one?
It's up to you.
Or I just want this out? You don't like it, but
No sugar in these, or carbs.
wait.
Next. So, avocado?
Yes, avocado. Avocado for your brick. No, not breakfast though, because
Yeah,
you're
with the-
in
with the
intermittent
steak.
fasting.
With the steak.
steak.
It's good. But you can't, I don't think you could have too many avocado.
Yeah, because this one
But
is
just
already
one half.
it's already ripe though. Supposed to be. I'm not going to have this one, but
What's wrong with it? Is there cheese in there?
no, there's no cheese. Yeah, but I think I will have this one.
Let's go. Alright, I think we're done. Well, that's enough for like 1 week, huh? It's mostly just meat and cheese and veggies for me.
Lettuce, yep.
And bulletproof coffee.
For me, I'll be okay. I'm just going to play with my.
Yeah, you sneak downstairs and eat at the restaurants. When I'm not looking, you're a little sneaky.
No, but I'm trying to
There's
avoid eating.
not a
rice.
lot of variety though for me,
Yeah.
but it's okay. Oh well.
We'll be okay, right?
Vlog 1 done. Bye.
Bye.